Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Explorer. I am Arup, and here we uncover hidden gem stocks with tremendous growth potential. I am excited to share with you some lesser known companies that have the ability to outshine even the most established industry stalwart. Why do I call them hidden gems? Actually, these companies are a gem because they are unknown, but rather because most people neither want to explore nor have the time to do so. However, I find them very interesting. These companies may not be as popular or widely recognized as their competitors, but they possess exceptional quality that make them special. Uh, they could have innovative business model, breakthrough categories, and access to untapped market, allowing them to seize opportunity and grow rapidly. In this picture, you can see a highly complex gearbox used in India's fast-built aircraft carrier INS Vikrant. Interestingly, this gearbox is manufactured by same company I will be discussing today. A word of caution: investing in this stock requires careful analysis and research. I dig deep to uncover their hidden potential, examining their financial growth prospect, competitive advantage, and market dynamics. By doing so, we aim to identify companies that have the ability to outperform their peers, generate significant returns for investors. Join me on this journey of exploration and discover as we unearth this hidden gem together. Though in-depth analysis and insightful discussion, I'll be I will shed light on these remarkable companies that are poised for success. Remember, investing in stock carries risks just like any investment. It is crucial to conduct your own due diligence, consult with financial advisor, and diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks. But for those who are willing to seek out the diamond in the rough, the potential reward can be truly extraordinary. My studies revolve around six pillars: ROE, ROC, fair price, low debt, price holding less than 50%, growth in both sales and profit, the business with less risk. It is important to know that I focus on long-term investment and not trading. So my picks are normally the stock I am going to refer had a ROE is 20.5 and ROC 24.9. It is fairly priced, 727, although it is shoot up 40% on the day before. So earlier it was traded at 635. Book value is 6.35. I think it is okay for this kind of company. Very low debt, 51.6 crore, where debt to equity ratio is 0.04%, which is very less. Pledge share nil. Public holding is 35.88%. Both sales and profit are observed year on year growth. Sales had grown 29.9%, profit grown 72.4%. However, that one risk area, although it is because of pandemic year, last 5 year growth rate is poor. It is 5.32. This is a disclaimer. I would like to note all of you this disclaimer. It First of all, I want to tell you that my stock picks are not for short term. not for intraday trading or short-term trading. I am picking up this stock for investment purpose. So I'm going to the next slide. Today's pick is Elecon Engineering Company Limited. This is my recommendation for today. They recently announced their Q1 FY24 result. But before we dive into the details of Elecon Engineering, let's take a quick look at quarter one result of three other companies: TCS, ACL Tech, and PCBL. PCBL full form is Philips Carbon Black Limited. While TCS and ACL Tech are surely gems in their own right, they don't meet my six criteria, so I probably will not cover in my next episodes. However, PCBL is also a good company with an almost monopoly product, but it does not meet the criteria either. So these are the stocks which I found uh, their quarter one result is published. I picked up from I think till today it was 35 stocks are declared. Out of these, I found these are the five stocks worth discussing. Uh, so ACL is a so-so result. TCS is also uh, done the business as expected, as per the expectation of the big financial investors. PCVL is downtrend. Okay, I'll not be discussing in either earlier episode also, because PCVL price is quite high. I don't think that it is worth discussing in my coming episodes also. However, PCBL is a monopoly product, so you can have your own study. So today's talk will be discussing Elecon Engineering. Anand Rathi also did a excellent result, and this stock shoot up today beyond. I think it shoot up maximum 15% today. Uh, okay, let's focus on Elecon Engineering. Elecon Engineering incorporated in 1960, Elecon Engineering Company Limited is involved in design and manufacturing of material handling equipment and in craft carrier through acquisition of Benzler Radicon Group belonging to David Brown Gear System. The company hold ISO 9001 uh, and ISO 14001 and 45001 certification, which provide numerous benefits such as increasing efficiency, cost reduction, and minimizing disruption from external audit. I am talking about the IMS. IMS gives a lot of benefit. I will discuss in the later if I get a scope. However, my intention is to cut short the discussion. You can study it. I am giving two of all the points which you can find it out in their portal also, official portal. However, mm, let's discuss about their uh, portfolio segmentation. Their transmission equipment that consists of 87% and material handling equipment 13%. They have been maintaining it past couple of years this percentage, uh, uh, and what next? Uh, let's say these are the two pieces I embedded here. This is from their current result. of Q1, where you can say both quarter on quarter growth, quarter one quarter one for 22 it was uh, 28.496. It is in lakhs, which is in 360974, which I demonstrated in earlier slide. You can go back and check, take a note. Now let's discuss about his stock other figures. Market cap is 8,148 crores. Face value is 2. Current price is 726. Book value is 117. So price to book value is 6.33. We can find it out. The ratio of the book value is current price divided by book value. 52 weeks high and low is 749 to 300. Stock P is 30.4 with respect to industry P of 32.3. ROCE is 24.9. Promoter holding is 59.3%. ROE is 20.5. EPS is 23.9. PEG ratio is 0.31. Company reserve fund is 1257 crore. Petroski score is 9. Petroski score 9 means you can consider it for a long term. Now coming back to their detailed report, I will be giving you the link where you can download both the report. They are very focused to highlight all their point in a graphical mode. I just interested to put it for your reference, but they have shown so many graphs there so that stakeholder can understand their growth journey. This Q1 FY24, their revenue increased from 328 to 414, which is 26.4% jump. Their EBITDA is earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization, okay, which is 33.2% growth. Profit after tax is 72.5%, which is a huge one. This I would like to say probably the IMS integrated management system, which I shown in earlier slide, that basically benefit the company through increasing efficiency, effectiveness and cost reduction. So I will surely ask you to go their site and pull out the report and study it. Again, their geographic wise growth also you can see. Domestic business has increased by 2%, which is very good, and they are probably taking part of Indian drive on making India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Let's discuss other salient point. I'll briefly touch upon this. They Elecon Engineering demonstrated strong ability to service debt. I told you that their debt to equity ratio is very less, and the reserve money they have, they can pay up their debt at any point of time. They really boasting a low debt to equity ratio. They have shown healthy long term growth, which operating profit grows at an annual rate of 34.84%. Their outstanding result in June 2023 reflecting a growth in net profit of 69.46%. Additionally, Elecon Engineering has declared positive result for the last 12 consecutive quarters. I mean, after post COVID, they are maintaining that league, and majority stakeholder are promoter. They also have a strong order book. Here I just given a excerpt of their quarter result, where you can see their open order volume is 793 crores, which is a big amount. Okay. I think you all noted this, and this is the segment you can see. uh, they have almost in every segment, starting from steel, MHE. MHE is probably material handling equipment. They have a footprint in sugar industry. They have a footprint in marine industry. They footprint of cement industry, construction and engineering, power, and other segments. So they are widely, they have widely their customers in almost all the segment. I mean manufacturing or production segment. Um, Now I'll be going to a very interesting slide, that is comparing Elecon engineering with its peers. You will be surprised to note the companies. Oh, before that, let me explain that this is the 1 year chart. Is nothing great. You can also find it out yourself. But you can see that 2023, in the first quarter, okay, uh, the stock was quite under pressure. I mean, it was in a consolidation mode. Okay, so straight 3 months, uh, rather 4 months, yes, 4 months, it was in a consolidation mode. Then, after when their result was published, I mean their yearly result and quarterly June quarter result, it price had shoot up. However, remember, they have been maintaining this result past 12 quarters. So it's not very odd for them to maintain this standard. However, I think, my opinion, stock is under pressure. It was under pressure, not now. So, decision is yours. I will request you to consult your financial advisor before taking any conscious decision on investment on this stock. Let's go. Okay, this is the area where I every time I compare with the peers company, you can find everyone is known. I mean, whoever in the stock market for long, they knows each and every share. All are big company. Hindustan Aeronautics, Thermex, Bharat Dynamics, Elecon Engineering, Ion Exchange, Praj Industry, Action Construction Equipment. These are all great company. They have been working for long, and they are all excellent in engineering industry. Okay, and I am not going to focus any of this. I just highlighted the key figure in green. You can find it out. Every stock got a potential here. I especially Hindustan Aeronautic, Bharat Dynamics, Elecon Engineering, Ion Exchange, Praj Industry, Action Construction Equipment. Thermex is a well-known company, but I didn't take the name of Thermex and Bharat Dynamics uh, because of probably I am not okay with the price it is traded now. However, all the organization, you will find three greens in Elecon, one green in Hindustan Aeronautics, one green in Ion Exchange, one green in Praj, and one green in Action Construction. You take a call, but any decision is your own decision. Be responsible for your own decision. I have uh, taken a responsibility to dig out the stocks which are not very popular. Probably hope I could make it. Uh, and if you like my video, please share, subscribe, and like it. uh, your support, I need it at this point when I have started my journey. More like more subscription will keep me motivated to publish new episodes every day for you. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. I have an academic slide which I discussed it yesterday. So I'll be pausing the next slide. I'll not tell anything. I'll pause it for exactly 30 seconds and close the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.